This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we're dealing with an Electrolux dryer that has a blower wheel that's malfunctioning, that's become loose, and it makes a really weird sound. So we're going to be doing a diagnostic test to make sure that it is the blower wheel. So I'm just turning the tumbler now to see if I can listen to see the sound that it makes. And I'm feeling up here at the top to make sure there's no zipper or button caught that would be making a noise. And next what I'll do is I'll press in on door switch and I'll turn it on and listen to what the sound the dryer makes. So when I turned off the dryer and it stopped tumbling, there was still a rattling sound that you could hear. This is the way you know for sure that it's a blower wheel problem, because the blower wheel keeps spinning after everything else is stopped, and that means the blower wheel has come loose. So the next thing will be to order a new blower wheel and to take off the front plate and replace the blower wheel, and that'll solve the problem. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance.